Welcome back to Learn How To. Today, we're baking up something that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. Yes, it's the classic, the iconic, the oh-so-delicious apple pie. But before we dive into the dough and apples, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy baking with a side of laughter. Ready to roll? Let's get pieing! First things first, let's talk ingredients. Here's what you're going to need for this apple pie that's about to make you the hero of your kitchen. Pie crust. You can use store-bought if you want to save time or make your own if you're feeling ambitious. Either way, we're going to need enough for a top and bottom crust. Apples, 6-7 medium-sized ones. Granny Smith or Honeycrisp are the best. These apples won't turn into applesauce on you. Sugar, 3/4 cup granulated sugar. Because we're making pie, not a salad. Brown sugar, 1/4 cup. It's like regular sugar, but with a little extra love. Cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. Or if you're like me and think cinnamon is basically magic, a bit more won't hurt. Nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon. Just a pinch for that extra Lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. This keeps the apples from turning brown and gives a nice zing. Butter, 2 tablespoons. Because butter makes everything better. Flour, 2 tablespoons to thicken up the filling. We're going for apple pie, not apple soup. Let's get our hands dirty. If you're making the pie crust from scratch, start by mixing 2.5 cups flour with 1 cup cold butter cut into chunks. Use a pastry blender or your hands. Pretend you're a pie wizard casting a spell. Add a pinch of salt and mix until it looks like coarse crumbs. Add 1/4 cup of ice water a little at a time until the dough sticks together. Then, wrap it in plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Or if you're like me, just send some positive vibes to your store-bought crust. While our dough is chilling like it's on a spa day, let's prep the apple filling. Peel, core, and slice those apples. Try not to eat them all. Seriously, save some for the pie. Mix the apples with 3/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons flour. It's going to be sweet, spicy, and a little bit saucy. All right, dough time. Roll out half of your dough on a floured surface until it's about 1/8 inch thick. Gently transfer it to your pie dish. If it tears, just patch it up. Pie is forgiving, unlike your middle school math teacher. Now fill that crust with your apple mixture. Dot with 2 tablespoons of butter. Roll out your top crust and lay it over the apples. You can be fancy and cut out shapes, or just do the classic whole top. Seal the edges, cut a few slits for steam to escape, and brush the top with an egg wash. Just an egg mixed with a bit of water. This will give your pie a golden, shiny look that says, "I'm ready for my close-up." Pop your pie in a preheated 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, oven for about 45-50 minutes. You'll know it's done when the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling like a cauldron of deliciousness. If the crust is getting too brown, cover the edges with foil. Let your pie cool for at least 2 hours before slicing. I know, waiting is the hardest part, but trust me, your patience will be rewarded with a slice that's worth every second. Serve it plain or with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or both. Because we're living our best pie lives here! And there you have it, a pie so good it might just make you famous in your family. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deliciousness, and share your pie-making adventures in the comments below. Thanks for baking with me today, and until next time, stay sweet and keep pie-ing. Check out these other videos for more tasty treats and fun recipes.